I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an omelet tasty. First, select fresh, high-quality eggs. They are the foundation of a delicious omelet. Whisk them well until they are light and airy, incorporating plenty of air. A small amount of milk or cream, about 1 tablespoon per 2 eggs, adds richness and a wonderfully tender texture. This simple step makes a big difference. Achieving the perfect cook is crucial for a tasty omelet. Use a non-stick pan and melt about 1 teaspoon of butter over medium-low heat. Pour in your egg mixture. As the edges set, gently push them towards the center, allowing uncooked egg to flow underneath. This technique ensures even cooking and a soft, delicate interior, avoiding any rubbery texture. Fillings are where you can truly elevate your omelet's flavor. Consider sautéed mushrooms, fresh spinach, or diced bell peppers for vibrant taste and texture. Cheeses like sharp cheddar, creamy goat cheese, or a sprinkle of Parmesan melt beautifully. Fresh herbs such as finely chopped chives or parsley add a wonderful aromatic finish. Don't overfill. A little goes a long way. The final steps ensure your tasty omelet is presented perfectly. Once cooked to your liking, gently fold the omelet in half or into thirds directly in the pan. Slide it onto a warm plate immediately. Serving it hot is key to enjoying its delicate texture and rich flavors. A final garnish of fresh herbs or a light sprinkle of black pepper adds a professional and delicious touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.